is our musical guest, Rocky Votolato. Did I say that right?
You did.
All right.
Thank
Heard you warming up in there in the Carter Subaru Live Theater. Really nice, fun stuff. And it's you and your guitar, right?
Oh, yeah, thank you.
You don't
yeah.
have a horn section? And
No, I've kept it pretty simple.
Philharmonic strings and things like that. And will you be playing just like that at the Timber Outdoor Music Festival?
You know, the interesting thing is I'll have a full band arrangement for the
Did
festival.
Pedro horn in on playing with you, too? Because he tries to play with everybody who comes here.
Yeah, he already tracked me down.
Did he show you his new green card? He's trying to show off.
That was a deal breaker.
Yeah. So tell me a little about yourself, Rocky.
Well, I've just been, writing songs and playing music for quite a while. So I put out my first record in '99, and just been touring around the country and.
And you do go around the United States?
Yep, a couple times a year usually.
By yourself?
It's gone off and on. It's
Okay.
like I said, for the Timberfest, I'll have a full band.
So you'll pick up people in various cities, and you're living an interesting nomadic life, aren't you?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've
Cool.
expanded. I'm traveling to Europe a couple times a year now.
Are you like some kind of weird hippie freegan type too? Because you have that look. I'm
Are
not
you
sure. if
weird, Rocky? How weird
Well,
are
you
you?
know what I mean.
Very weird.
He laughed, so he
Can you
got
rate yourself
Close
1
to
to 10?
home.
No, seriously, what's different? You're very. I don't know if I'm getting this sense, but you're very different from ordinary average people.
Think so?
Yeah, you seem very different. Well, not
I hope that's a good thing.
I find it fascinating. I don't know good or bad yet.
He's
but-
super chill. I think he's
That's it.
calm and nice,
Yeah.
and he doesn't appear to be selling us hard, and so it's making you
very
twitch.
soft sell.
Yeah.
yeah.
So do
I'm
you
not-
you wander into a town and you just make your thing and then you leave?
That's it. I play my music, and I'm not out to get famous or anything. I'm just doing my thing, and I really found music for myself as just kind of like something that helped me deal with my life.
Right. Your
And
album is called Television of Saints, which is a spooky title. Tell me what that means.
So, well, it's just basically this idea, an old term and something kind of, I don't know. I was just trying to be weird.
Just a strange thing. Well, television is a freaky place.
It is.
And to mix it with saints seems like an odd juxtaposition.
Yeah, Paramahansa Yogananda, who was the guru of George Harrison and Steve Jobs and all these guys. He's the one who actually coined that term, and so that's where I got it.
Got him. Hippie. Freaking. I bet you juice once in a while. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't. Actually.
Oh, okay. All right. Just try to see. All right. I want to hear you play. I know you got to make a 100-yard dash to the Carter Subaru Live Theater where a wonderful audience is waiting to hear you perform. Thank you very much. We'll talk to you in just a second
Okay,
on the
thanks,
radio.
Bob.
Rocky.